The Riverside High gym is alive with energy as students buzz with anticipation. Emma and Jay stand proudly beside their extraordinary creation, a cardboard automaton. Gears spin and figures dance in a symphony of movement, a testament to their ingenuity. Other students gather around, their faces glowing with curiosity and amusement, applauding the spectacle. In the heart of Riverside High, Priya and Marcus stand ready, their egg drop parachute poised for release. With bated breath, they release their creation from a high vantage point. The package floats gently, drawing all eyes as it descends. A collective gasp fills the hallway as the package touches down unbroken. Cheers erupt, relief and excitement flooding the hall as the students celebrate their triumph. The intact egg gleams a symbol of their successful engineering. In the hushed computer lab at Riverside High, Mia shares her passion for animation with a young student. Pixels dance across the screen as simple lines transform into fluid movements. The younger student's eyes light up with wonder as her creation springs to life. Mia looks at the student, her smile beaming with pride as she ignites a spark for STEM. The animated figure on the screen twirls, captivating the student's imagination. Side by side, mentor and mentee unite in a shared moment of discovery.